My name's Kevin Hand, I'm an ecologist. I've worked with ACE for over 25 years now. I'm president of the Cambridge Natural History Society at the moment, and various other things to do with wildlife, but I love leading tours for ACE. Extremadura is one of my favourite parts of Europe. The wildlife there is so spectacular. We stay in two lovely locations, which are two of my favourite places on earth, I think. So we stay in the historic city of Cáceres, and it's a really old medieval town from this conquistador period, but it's also a massive bird roost. It's full of storks up on the church towers, clicking their beaks and nesting. Swifts and the rare pallid swift all flying together. There are hoopoes nesting in holes in the walls, and there are lesser kestrels, another very rare bird, again just nesting up in the ancient city walls. And then we move out to the Finca El Vaqueril, to the finca that we stay in. A finca is a kind of farmhouse come estate house. The buildings have been converted into a really nice, unique hotel. It's quite a remote place, and the owners are super. They let us wander around and explore their estate, and we walk out into the open steplands looking for great bustards. There are bee-eaters nesting in the pond near the finca doorway. I've sat in the swimming pool, swam in the swimming pool, it's only a little swimming pool, and watched all 4 species of European vulture fly over my head. I think ACE is a unique organisation, and I've had 1 or 2 offers over the years to work with other people, and I've always just stayed working with ACE for the last 25 years, nobody else. All sorts of reasons. It's a non-profit making organisation, so it's an educational charity. That's really important to me, and I think to the clients who come with us too. It's a family-run organisation, still within the family, and it feels like a big family. When you phone up, you get someone you know on the telephone if you're going to book a holiday. The people are really friendly, and all of the people on my tours say to me, the office is so helpful, and I get a lot of people coming back on my tours, which is very flattering. So I feel like I'm travelling with friends. It's another thing that's unique about ACE wildlife tours, that they're not just about wildlife. Ever since we started putting them together, we've always included a strong cultural element, historical element. The food and drink is very important, and how people live within the area. We meet lots of local people, farmers, nature reserve managers, local experts, local people generally. And we bring all that together, I hope, so that you get a broad picture of what the area's like, as well as seeing some superb wildlife.